Pen spinning is poppin'. With World Tournament starting this month, I bet a lot of people are picking up pen spinning again. But I know that a lot of people don't want to join World Tournament, whether that be because they're too busy or don't feel like they're good enough. If you were around during the last World Tournament, 2021, you might have remembered there was a B side of the tournament, which is basically the beginner side of the tournament. This year, however, there is no such thing. There is only one World Tournament, and it's at the highest level. But fret not if you still want to compete in a pen spinning tournament, but either don't have enough time to make 6 full combos, or feel like you're not good enough yet. You can join Planet's monthly tournament. Mum3Y, a well-known spinner and owner of the Planet Discord, a previous central hub for pen spinning, has just released a new battle system. Every month, there will be a new mini-tournament where you can enter a single combo if you want. You're not forced to join every month, you can join any month you feel like it, and every month there is a different theme. The first month, August, this month is the power theme. But you can also submit a themeless combo as well. Your combo will be ranked among the other combos, and you will be given a rank that correlates with your level. In fact, there's actually an ELO system too, and planet points, which apparently can be redeemed for special rewards by the end of the year. For this month, there are 3 judges, Mum3Y, me, and Krosu. Judges probably won't be the same every month, however. By the way, I'm not sponsored or anything by Planet. In fact, Mum3Y doesn't even know I'm making this video. I just thought it was a cool concept for beginners or busy professionals to enter in some kind of pen spinning competition. If you want to join now, or next month, or whenever, feel free to join the Planet Discord server in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.